I am one of the luckiest guys on the planet because I got an early Christmas present from one of the best fitness equipment brands in the planet, StrongTek. They sponsored this video and sent me out a couple of their products that I can share with you guys today. All of these are in the description down below. The two things that they actually sent me is a slant board and some foam yoga pads, which are kind of like mini slant boards. So how this thing actually works and why I love the slant board so much is a couple things. So a lot of you have probably heard of the knees over toes guys slant board, and his is great, it's good quality, but it doesn't do one thing, and that it does not change the different sizes of it. So if you are someone who wants a really intense slant, you can make it like that so you get a lot of compression through your knees and have to stay really upright, or you can kind of regress a little bit, make it not quite as gnarly on your knees. This is probably a good place to start for beginners, still going down, holding that position, coming up. Slant board is a slant board nonetheless. Very good quality. The wood on this, they actually kind of messed with this last time, and the texture is a lot better than the last one I got. Very high quality. This actual like sandpaper is not really abrasive at all. I use this barefoot actually. Leaves no issues on my feet. Very, very high quality, extremely portable. As you can see, there's handles right here, so you can easily carry this. If you're traveling, you could bring this to a hotel. Super, super simple. This thing's about $60, I believe, on the website, and there's really not much else to say. I've been using this thing for literally over 2 years. I actually just got rid of my old one. I gave it to my gym, so they were kind enough to send one out for me today to recommend you guys. If you want something else to spice up your workout routines a little more, you can get these foam yoga blocks too, which can also allow you to do HEG split squats, which is a variation of a normal split squat that Ben Patrick over at the Knees Over Toes program website and YouTube channel, where basically it's going to elevate your heel a little bit, going down, holding. I'm doing this in slides, so obviously not the easiest. The concept is, though, it's only one leg at a time. These do give a little bit, so these might be a little more comfortable for individuals who have neuropathy in their feet, maybe just don't like kind of how abrasive this thing is. And also, since this is kind of narrow, if you have a wider squat, you can kind of make this your own, so you can kind of pigeon toe your feet out and might be a little more comfortable, and there's a little more give on the bottom of it versus that doesn't give at all. It's very firm. This is kind of like squatting on a mattress pad, for example. Obviously not quite that cushy, because we don't want it that cushy, but still nonetheless, both very, very good quality products. Go ahead and check them out. They have a bunch of other great stuff on their website. They are a small business in the United States. Their products do come from China. They design them in the United States, so nonetheless, you're still helping out a small business in America, and guess what? You're helping put food on the table for people in China too, so it's really a win-win nonetheless.